In this video, we want to download and install Python for the Mac platform. So to do that, we're going to go to python.org in a browser, so python.org. Once we get there, we're going to click on Downloads. And notice when I do that, I've got the option over here to download for Mac OS X. I just need to come over here and click on that. Choose the latest version, which you can see on the screen as of the time I'm recording, 3.7.3. So I'm going to click on that. That's now downloading, and you probably saw it in the top right-hand corner there that's already finished. So I'm going to go to Finder and check that out. And I'm going to double-click the PKG file to start installing it. And what I'll do is I'll close down the browser now because we're finished with that, for now at least. I'll just close down Finder as well. All right, so I'm going to click on Continue, click on Continue, click on Continue, click on Agree, and click on Install. Enter my password, and that'll go through and configure and install Python. All right, so at this point we're actually done. We can end the video here.